Hi, this is Nick at DuraLabel. Today we're going to be going over how to make a funny label inside of LabelForge Pro. We're head on over to LabelForge Pro homepage, and you'll see that we have favorited the Danger 0 Days Without Crying label. We're going to start at this label to change out different colors and headers to match notice signs, warning signs, and even caution signs based off what you're doing for your funny label. We'll also dive into the symbol library where you can change out the symbols or even upload your own if you want to from your desktop. We're also going to go over how to save out your LabelForge profile too. I'm going to end up clicking on this template to get started, but you can also go to Label Designer if you want, if you're just creating from scratch. Now that we have the danger label pulled up, we're going to start by changing out this header to a notice one. So I'm going to delete the caution symbol and then change out the danger text to notice. We're going to italicize that because you want that for your notice signs, and use the align tool just to put that right in the middle. And then we're going to change out this background color because notice signs have a blue header. So we're going to go right to that. And there you go. You have a notice one. If you wanted to change this to a caution one, we type in caution, take out the italices, and now we're going to add back in that caution symbol that we had deleted before. So we're going to go over to the symbol library, and this has thousands of different symbols based off your industry or use case that you're looking for. You can also add in your own SVG files or scalable vector graphics. So I'll just show you how that's done really quick. I'll go to my downloads folder, and I have some saved out right now, and it'll render and put this right onto your label. This isn't really the graphic that I want to use for this label, so I'm just going to delete it. Just kind of wanted to show you what that looks like. So we're going to go back and then type in caution, hit search, then insert. And caution labels are generally black text with a yellow header, so we're going to do that. Then we're going to change this text to black, and then change this blue background over to yellow. And there you have your caution label. And now we're going to change this over to a warning sign, but you'll keep this caution symbol right here, and then we'll change the caution text to warning. Then to make sure this fits a little better, I'll just resize that. And then the background for warning signs are orange, so we'll change that over to orange. And if you want to change out the symbol, just remember to go to the symbol library and choose from the different categories that we have or search, but any symbols that you end up saving out will be under your user symbols option, so just keep that in mind. You can really get creative with different tools inside of LabelForge Pro when using Label Designer. Like for instance, we use the shape tool to just make a teardrop on this pre-existing symbol because it just matches the funny label that we're going for. So just get creative with it and try new things. As of right now, we just completed and customized a funny label inside of LabelForge Pro. Now I'm going to show you how to save out this label to your computer. We're going to go over to the top left hand corner in this 3-line hamburger menu. You're going to click on that, hit Save Label As, and I have this to my labels on my desktop, but you can save this generally anywhere. So I'm going to hit 0 Days Without Crying, and then I'm going to hit Save. And now we're going to go back to the home page where you see the funny label that we just saved out is in our local desktop folder, so you can go back to this whenever you want. Don't forget, LabelForge Pro is a design tool for safety and compliance, but it's also a canvas. Get creative and make your facility smile with a funny label or two. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.